Hey there, YouTube friends. We're doing a little outside work, and those shutters are going to have to go because they're beyond repair and painting. Now, I'm of the opinion of just remove them and leave it, but Rita believes we should have shutters.
Yeah, I think the details make it look good. I think you need shutters.
I think they're pointless.
I think the details make them look nicer.
They don't protect the windows. They're just there for aesthetics.
It's the front of the house.
Well, who do you think is going to win this battle? I don't know. We'll soon find out. Alright, so we're going to remove the old shutters and install new ones. Alright, I'm going to have to cut these nails off using my multi-tool. Now any holes I'm going to fill so we don't get any critters in there. Alright, so these are the new shutters, Vantage, 15 by 55, and we'll get to hanging them now. Okay, they do come with the fasteners. I didn't know that, so we bought extras. But they do come with the fasteners, so that's a good thing. Alright, now I'm going to pre-drill some holes. This is a 1/4 inch bit that I'm using. I'm working on sloped ground, so my ladder is not stable. But there's a little trick. If you have a car ramp, you can put the car ramp under it, and that'll make it stable. Okay, now Rita is going to help me hold it in place while I make sure it's level and I make my marks. Okay, here's the new bit I'm going to use to make the holes. It's a 1/4 inch masonry bit, good for brick. Okay, now we're just going to use these fasteners right over here and a rubber mallet, tapping the shutters. We got one window done and 2 more to go.
We got the shutters done on 2 of the windows, and Steve is working at taking down the old shutters on the very last window. And that ramp is working out pretty well at supporting the ladder. Steve is putting in the last shutter, and he's tapping in the fasteners with a rubber mallet. And then we are done.
Here's a final look at the house, YouTube friends. The wife was right. It does look better with the shutters. I'm hoarse, so she's going to give you the send-off.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe. More videos to come.
We'll catch you next time. Say hello to the doggies.